Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. Thanks so much for stopping by. It's another great Friday here in Dallas, Texas, and this has been about the 5th or 6th week that my studio is challenged by the lighting situation. But in any case, that is not going to stop me from producing one YouTube video a week, no matter what it looks like or what it sounds like. The most important thing is that I am maintaining my personal mission. So that is something I want to share with y'all so you can be inspired to do the same with whatever goal you have set for yourself. Also, this video is all about not asking for anyone's permission to take rest. And I want to hear this verbalized for myself, so I'm also practicing it because it's important as a health coach for me to practice what I preach. So here we go. Today we're just going to enjoy a rest day with some butterfly pea latte, and I'll show you guys how to make it. Here we are, our butterfly pea flower powder. Opening it up, it's very powdery, so your hand is definitely gonna look blue like that, like a little smurfette. I am today. And yes, we're taking about a teaspoon of it and putting it into our tumbler frother that has a half a cup of filtered water. Now it's set up on the base and just turning it on to froth. Clear mugs are perfect for this type of latte because you can see all these amazing colors that you don't normally see in a drink like this. This frother has been washed and dried, ready for the half a cup of milk to be frothed. Alright, we're adding our milk, and this is one of my favorite parts to making butterfly pea flower latte. Look at the transformation of colors and the movement of all these gorgeous ingredients. Alright folks, that wraps up our video on how to make a butterfly pea flower latte to enjoy, especially when you had a lot going on in a week. Alright, so here we go, bottoms up for me. Blue teeth maybe, but you can wash it off. It comes right off, it doesn't stain your teeth, but make sure you brush your teeth right afterwards. Anywho, if y'all have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. See y'all next week. And remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy. And well rested. Take your breaks when you need to. Again, don't ask anyone for permission. You give that to yourself. Sometimes all you need is to take one deep breath in and out. And trust that you know when to rest because you know yourself best.